Welcome to Terracotta Planet. In this video we are going to see how to paint this beautiful pendant. I'm going to keep the black as a base color, so I'm using a diluted black to paint the whole pendant with black. I'm also thinking to keep this pendant without any metallic colors. I'm not going to use any gold or silver color. I'm just going to keep it muted and with some pop of colors. I'm painting the beads black as well because I'm not planning to add any colors to the beads, so the beads will remain black, so adding the black to the beads as well. When thinking of colors, I was thinking what colors to use. Mostly I stay away from bright colors like pink, yellow and green. So I just wanted to incorporate those colors in this pendant and experiment how it will turn out. In the same time, I don't want to use very bright pink color. So I was thinking of what to go with, so I chose a color palette where it is muted. So I'm going to use pink, yellow, green, but all these colors will be muted. It's not exactly the bright pink. Anyway, for the first base color I'm giving it as a bright pink, but the second layer will be kind of muted pink. Only I start painting the second layer with the muted pink when the first layer is completely done, adding this hint of pink to other details as well. I'm just filling this intricate details with the kind of green color, a light green color. You can use a dotting tool, but I'm using a paintbrush as I'm comfortable with this. I'm using a yellow color. It is not a bright yellow, but it is a pastel yellow. Once I added this color, it came out really good. It made sure like the whole piece is put together. Once you have the color palettes chosen, then it will be easy for you to fill those colors in the different details. So we are almost done, but I still felt like I want to add some detailing. So I used a toothpick and added a light pink to the end of the parallel lines. You can do this with brush, but the thing is, if your paint is little, you might end up spilling the colors in this intricate detail, so I don't want to do that. So I'm just using this toothpick and dipping the paint directly from the paint bottle without diluting it, and making these small dots. So this is how it ended up. I think it came out quite well. So once this is done, once it is dried for quite some time, I'm assembling it. I'm using 1 mm black cotton cord, and I've also painted few beads with the same color combo, and we are assembling here. Pink was kind of dominating in the pendant, so I want to keep the pink less in the beads, so I'm just using the pink in the starting and the end of the assembling, but otherwise it is predominantly black and in between is mustard yellow. I want the focus primarily to be in the pendant, so I'm just keeping the assembling part very simple with just few beads and a simple black cord, so that the whole focus will be on this beautifully hand painted terracotta pendant. I hope you like this video. Please do like, subscribe and share with your friends who might like these. Thank you.